Okay, this is Panora, Iowa. Restored Pullman car, Union Pacific. Let's take a walk inside. It's beautifully done. They light those up. Union Pacific. Dorothy. Smiling. And this is very well done, very pretty. Chandeliers are supposed to be, everything's supposed to be factory put together nicely, just as if it is 1915. Period photos. What it used to look like. Got a nice display of period stuff. Carpet is gorgeous. The woodwork is still so fresh, you can smell the stain and the shellac or lacquer. Period typewriter. Train sounds. Period lighting on the roof. And the elegant dining of a Pullman. Faux fruit. I'm almost getting hungry just looking at the food. It ain't real, it's plastic. But hey, here's a server's table. Can't go in there. And the coup de grace. If you gotta go, you gotta go. They are all together very well, nicely done. And we'll go right back out the back door. Smiling, kinda.